Now, the Contemplation of Infinite Life Sutra says, if sentient beings wish to be born in that land, they should develop 3 kinds of mind, and they will be reborn there. This is generating the Bodhi mind. How can the Bodhi mind have 3 aspects? Mahayana teachings usually speak of 1 mind. How can there be 3 minds? 3 minds are actually 1 mind, and 1 mind manifests as 3 minds. Buddhism speaks of essence, form, and function. When we talk about 3 minds here, there is essence and function. Function is divided into 2 aspects: self-benefit and benefiting others. What mind do I use toward myself? And what mind do I use toward others? As the Sutra says, first is the sincere mind. Second is the profound mind. Third is the mind of dedication and vows, those who possess these 3 minds. Those who possess these 3 minds will definitely be born in that land. Now, you see the essence of the Bodhi mind is the sincere mind. What does sincerity mean? How do we define this character? Zeng Guofan, in his reading notes, gave a definition of sincerity. He said it well. It aligns with Mahayana teachings. He said, when not a single thought arises, that is sincerity. Once thoughts arise, sincerity is lost. When no thoughts, no intentions arise, that is the sincere mind. Utmost sincerity is sincerity at its fullest. Zeng Guofan was also a Buddhist practitioner. I believe his definition of sincerity comes from the Mahayana Sutras. Who possesses the sincere mind? I tell you, the first dwelling bodhisattva of the perfect teaching. It's not found within the 10 realms. Within the 10 realms, we know the highest level is the Buddha. The 10 realms include Shravakas, Pragyeka Buddhas, Bodhisattvas, and Buddhas. But even that Buddha still uses the alaya consciousness. What is alaya? It's the arising of thoughts. He has no discrimination or attachment, but thoughts still arise. So this is a deluded mind, not the true mind. Once you develop this mind, let me tell you, you become a first dwelling bodhisattva of the perfect teaching. You attain Buddhahood. True mind, using the true mind is Buddhahood, using the deluded mind is the 10 realms. The 4 noble realms within the 10 realms use the deluded mind correctly. Because they accept the Buddhist teachings and practice according to them, so they use the deluded mind correctly. The 6 realms use it incorrectly, not properly. In the 6 realms, afflictions of views and thoughts create obstacles. In the 4 noble realms, there is discrimination, but no attachment. There are dust sand afflictions, but no view thought afflictions. They've escaped the cycle of rebirth. The sincere mind is not easy to attain. Second, the profound mind. The profound mind is for self-benefit. In our daily life and work, in dealing with others, what mind should we use? The profound mind. What is the profound mind? We use the 5 words from this sutra's title: purity, equality, and enlightenment. More than 20 years ago, when I lectured on this sutra in America, when discussing the Bodhi mind, I explained it in a way people could understand. I added the word right to enlightenment, to make right enlightenment. I used 10 characters. True sincerity is the sincere mind, true sincerity. The profound mind is purity, equality, and right enlightenment. For benefiting others, we use the compassionate mind. This is the mind of dedication and vows mentioned here. We dedicate all the merits of our cultivation and learning to all sentient beings throughout the Dharma realm, and vow to be reborn in the Pure Land. This is compassion at its highest level. This means guiding all sentient beings to be reborn in the Buddha's land. This is the ultimate compassion. Without rebirth in the Western Pure Land, our compassion is not complete. Why is this? Because in the next life they will still be in samsara. No matter how much you care for them in this life or help them, they'll still be trapped in rebirth. The Buddha helps beings thoroughly, truly helping them reach their home, not just halfway. In this lifetime, we must achieve complete fulfillment. You must definitely encourage others to recite Buddha's name and seek the Pure Land. You yourself must set an excellent example. When they see you, they'll be truly moved and truly be able to let go of everything, to be reborn in the Pure Land and be close to Amitabha Buddha. In the Pure Land, they will achieve all Buddha Dharma. That place is an excellent school. Being born in the Pure Land, you have infinite life. There's plenty of time. For places to learn Buddhism, none is better than the Pure Land. It's unparalleled. All Buddhas praise it. Even Vairocana Buddha of the Flower Garland realm. See how he praises. Manjushri and Samantabhadra leading 41 great bodhisattvas to the Western Pure Land to learn from Amitabha Buddha. Isn't that remarkable?